Here's the Roma tomato plant. Got one that's just about ready to pick right there. And cantaloupe. We've already picked some cantaloupe. There's this gourds right there. Alright, and then here's that Roma tomatoes. Check that out. They're all in there, man. This thing is really loaded with tomatoes. Some little ones up here. And this one, it's a different type of plant. It's got all kinds of little blooms all over it, but no tomatoes yet. But it should be, I think they'll be popping out of there real soon. Here's my habanero plant. I just noticed there's a pepper right there. Hopefully we get a lot more out of that. I love hot peppers. And I got these. I believe those are jalapenos. And these, I wish we'd get more of these. We had some earlier in the season, but I didn't get very many. But boy, the little tiny things that are just hotter than fire, man. They will burn your mouth up. I loved them. There's some onions. We're eating those every day too. Okra, all we can eat, and then some. Got the fall crop of microgreens just starting to come up. Hopefully the rodents doesn't get them. There's a squash bug. Better get that little guy. That's our flower tree right here. So some of these are just starting to grow flowers. There's one that's just starting to. There's another one just starting. There's another one that's been out for a while. The watermelons are looking good. Here's some veggies I just picked. Look at this. I grew that for seed. So that's where I'll be getting some seed for next year's crop. really nice plant. Getting a lot of squash off of that plant, so I'm gonna save some seed from it. These two came off of it, and all that okra. We're getting anywhere from 4 to 6 probably okras every day. Oh yeah, ready to eat. They're so good. I've already tasted it. Really sweet. Oh man, they're good.